Total Quality Management and ISO 9001. Welcome to MBA in a Can, where we break down essential business concepts into quick, clear insights. In this operations and supply chain management series, we'll explore the strategies and practices that help businesses streamline processes, reduce waste, and deliver value efficiently. The concept of quality in manufacturing has changed significantly over time. In the earliest days of industrial production, quality often meant fit and finish. This was a craftsman's approach, where skilled workers focused on creating unique, high-quality products one at a time, tailoring each item to specific needs. However, as manufacturing grew into larger operations, this approach became inefficient. Factories producing goods on a mass scale needed a more consistent way to ensure their products met expectations, giving rise to what we now understand as quality control. In these early factories, quality control was primarily reactive. Finished products were inspected, and defective items were removed or reworked. While this helped ensure customers received functioning goods, it was a costly and time-consuming process. Resources were wasted creating faulty products, and the root causes of defects often went unaddressed. Quality was about catching mistakes rather than preventing them. As manufacturing processes became more standardized, the idea of quality began to shift. With the advent of assembly lines and mass production, businesses realized that consistency, producing items that were reliably the same, like a Big Mac burger at any McDonald's location, was the key to satisfying customers. This marked the beginning of a move from fit and finish craftsmanship to standardization, where repeatable processes ensured uniformity. Quality was no longer just about excellence in individual items, it was about predictability and reliability across thousands or even millions of units. In the mid-20th century, the evolution of quality management took a major leap forward, heavily influenced by thinkers like W. Edwards Deming and Joseph Durand. These pioneers introduced the idea that quality wasn't just the responsibility of inspectors at the end of the production line, it was a system-wide concern. During Japan's post-war recovery, Deming's teachings on statistical quality control and continuous improvement played a vital role in rebuilding industries. Japanese companies, most notably Toyota, embraced these ideas, using them to create processes where quality was built into every stage of production. This led to a new understanding of quality. It wasn't just about avoiding mistakes, it was about designing systems that made mistakes unlikely in the first place. By the 1980s, this approach evolved into what we now call Total Quality Management, or TQM. Total Quality Management expanded the scope of quality to encompass every part of an organization, not just manufacturing. Quality was redefined as meeting and exceeding customer expectations in all areas, from product design and supply chain logistics to customer service and leadership practices. It emphasized that quality wasn't just the job of one department or a few inspectors, it was the shared responsibility of everyone in the organization. Total Quality Management also emphasized standardization as a cornerstone of quality. Standard processes ensure that each product or service is delivered consistently, meeting the same expectations every time. This goes hand in hand with continuous improvement, or Kaizen, where even the best processes are regularly revisited and refined to eliminate inefficiencies and adapt to changing needs. What makes Total Quality Management unique is its proactive approach. Instead of focusing on catching defects after they happen, it aims to prevent them entirely by improving processes and systems. This involves listening to customer feedback, analyzing data to identify patterns, and empowering employees to take part in the improvement process. It also relies on a systematic cycle of improvement, often referred to as Plan Do Check Act or PDCA. This iterative process ensures that organizations are constantly learning and adapting to deliver better outcomes. ISO 9001, part of the ISO 9000 family of quality management standards, is a globally recognized framework for implementing a quality management system. It complements the principles of total quality management, abbreviated to TQM, by providing a structured approach to ensure consistent quality across products, services, and processes. While TQM emphasizes cultural and organizational changes to embed quality into every aspect of a business, ISO 9001 offers a practical, step-by-step methodology to operationalize these principles. At its core, ISO 9001 revolves around meeting customer requirements and enhancing customer satisfaction through continuous improvement. It is built on principles such as customer focus, leadership involvement, engagement of people, process approach, and evidence-based decision-making. These align closely with TQM's focus on fostering a culture of quality and emphasizing teamwork, accountability, and continuous refinement. Implementing ISO 9001 often begins with defining processes and documenting procedures to ensure that quality is maintained consistently. Regular audits, both internal and external, assess compliance and identify opportunities for improvement. Certification to ISO 9001 is not just a badge of quality, it signals to customers, stakeholders, and partners that the organization is committed to maintaining high standards. For example, a manufacturing company might use ISO 9001 to standardize its production processes, reducing variability and ensuring that every product meets customer expectations. Meanwhile, the principles of TQM help the company foster a culture where every employee feels empowered to contribute to these quality goals. Together, ISO 9001 and TQM form a powerful combination for organizations seeking to enhance quality, improve efficiency, and build trust with their customers. By integrating quality into every aspect of an organization, companies like Toyota, Boeing, and healthcare institutions achieve incredible levels of reliability and customer satisfaction. For more on related topics, explore our videos on lean management, just-in-time systems, and supply chain optimization. Thanks for watching MBA in a Can. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates or colleagues. Check the description for links to useful sources on the topic. See you in the next video.